control that kills the engine straight away. So if it does get out of control and it heads towards you, we have a guy over here and that's all he does. He holds the back and switches it off if it gets too close.
Well guys, something different we're bringing to you now. We're bringing the first ever State of Origin Quad Wars. If you have a look, we haven't let out by Craig. He was on the Raptor, he was in the car. Here comes the Queensland boys. What do you think of the Queensland boys? Are they going to win tonight? How do they get behind it, guys, in New South Wales? What do you reckon? How do they get behind the New South Wales boys? Let's see if they can do it for you tonight. What do you reckon, guys? Show appreciation. They're going to a rapid